Hi, everyone. Welcome and welcome back to D Don Kitchen. Guess what, guys? D Don is in the kitchen today to show you a quick and easy recipe. Cherry plum juice today. I'm telling you, it's like 100 degrees. It's really hot. And you need nothing when you get home more than a refreshing glass of juice, that homemade juice that you make. Hopefully you enjoy it. But before I begin, if you are new here, hi, welcome. And to all my supporter, my YouTuber, my subscriber, a big welcome to you all. Big up, big up, big up. Let's get started. As you can see, there's a few items right here. I have 2 plum, a piece of ginger, 1 lime or lemon, and cherries. Also, you need your water. This is the sugar I'm using to sweeten. You don't have to sweeten it. You don't have to use sugar or anything. You can drink your juice just as it is. First, you want to remove the stem from the cherries. Ginger. The plum. Let's remove the label. You want to remove the seed from the plum. There's a seed inside. You want to cut all the flesh from the seed. Hey guys, please be sure to subscribe to D Don Kitchen and share this video with a friend of a friend, a friend of a friend, friend of a friend. Like the video. Feel free to leave a comment and hit that notification bell. So when D Don is doing a video, you will be the first one to know. So now we're gonna put all this stuff in. We want to get the ginger almost at the bottom. We're going to put the cherry in. Let me see. Remember, the cherry have a seed in it too, so you can always remove the flesh. So let's remove the flesh from the cherry. So you put it in. Pouring the water in now. You're just gonna pour enough water. You're gonna place it on the NutriBullet or you're using your blender. And now we're gonna begin. You're gonna cut on the lime. And you're gonna extract the juice out. We got a lot of juice. I'm just gonna strain it. My jug is running away. Bye. Now we're straining the juice. And we're gonna sweeten our cherry plum juice now. Remember guys, you sweeten to your likeness. I'm just using 2 spoons of sugar. It is so hot and you need some ice to your juice to cool down the system. So guys, look at our juice. So it's so thick and rich in color. It's ready for drinking. So here I have a glass with some ice, and I have a glass without ice. So now we just gonna pour the juice out. This is our cherry plum juice. It's now ready. And ain't it looking refreshing, guys? I think you should give it a try. So beautiful people, I thank you for watching D Dan Kitchen. Please be safe, and I see you in my next video. Bye for now. Much love. Peace.